Hey. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy, for those who knew. And today we are doing a super awesome DIY. So today it's about ginger, and also I'm going to be using this olive oil, extra virgin. This is the ideal one, I bought the small one. So it's ginger and the cloves that I'm going to be blending. Then you put a good amount of olive oil so that when you are blending, you have to make it very easier for you, because when you don't have enough fluid to blend, it's not going to do it. So you put a good amount, or also you can choose to it. A few years ago, I wasn't that keen with the styles that I was putting on my hair and how I was handling my hair, and this led to a very bad texture of my hair, and breakages, hair loss, all those sorts of bad things on my hair. But I didn't care that much about it. Right now I'm very cautious. I want to grow it naturally, and one part of it, it's like I'm trying to get my relaxed one side of my hair back to natural. So you can see how I'm doing it. You blend until you achieve this thick paste. Then afterward, I'm going to be putting it on a pan, and I make sure that I get all of it in the pan. Then I found that I had not put enough oil, or my olive oil, and for me to achieve enough oil, I had to go and add my olive oil, so that my oil could be enough for my hair and also for my babies. I will not only be using on myself. So I cooked, or I allowed it to cook for around it's like cooking, yes, it's like cooking like 10 minutes. Then since I wanted to get every bit of the nutrients in the ginger, every bit of it in the cloves, all the nutrients, yes, this is a very nice oil for my hair growth, for your scalp. So after allowing it to cook for around 10 minutes, then I let it cool for around 5 minutes or so. Cloves have a high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strengthen your hair. That's why you see myself using most of the time cloves. It's my best friend so far. I love it because of the things it has for my hair. It can also be used to protect scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. You see how good you'll see at the end of it, when I'm applying my hair, you'll see the changes. Somehow my hair wasn't that healthy, because I wasn't taking care of it. But since I started using cloves, I have seen maximum or a bit of change, and I love it. Also, cloves contain anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening, as I said earlier. So thus you will see my hair has thickened a lot. Even if I usually have a thick hair, it isn't the same thing as the way after using the cloves for a while. Also, the benefits of ginger improve the circulation of the scalp, also stimulating each hair follicle, thus promoting a natural hair growth. You find that your hair is just growing naturally. The several components found in ginger, like magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, encourages restoration of your hair. So if you have lost a lot of hair, after using ginger remedies on your hair, it's going to restore back your hair, and also it will stimulate maximum growth. After I'm done, or after I've allowed it to cool off, I'll be using this net, my wig cup, to strain off my oil so that it can be easier for me to apply on my oil on my hair. So now I have my oil with me, which I'll be using it for the week, maybe twice or thrice, and also on my babies. So I'm going to add some drops of this angelic castor oil because it has some moisturizing properties which helps lubricating hair shafts and also increasing flexibility while combing your hair, and thus decreasing the chances of breakage and hair loss. That's why I'm using this castor oil. Okay, this is how my hair looks like. Had washed it like 2 days ago. So my hair is clean and also it's not moisturized. I'll be using my clove water. Clove everywhere I look like this is clove. So I'm going to be using this clove water as I have been using it as a leave-in. So instead of using plain water to detangle my hair before I apply this oil, I'll be using my clove water. So my clovey, it has really helped my hair. You can see how my hair is, and let's keep watching and see how it goes. And also when I'm coming through, I found it's when you moisturize your hair, or your hair is saturated, highly saturated, it's very easy to come through in through your hair. You see how I was telling you the damages that have caused to my hair. This is the side that I was talking about. I had relaxed my hair one side, and I'm trying to get it back to natural states, but at least now I have seen a lot of improvement. By the way, I trimmed it like 2 months ago, so as to get to back to my natural way. I don't know who told me to do that style or to do that thing. So after I come through, I'm going to be applying my hair. I massage in my scalp. I make sure that I get this every root or every inch of my hair strand. You can see how I'm doing it. I apply it, then I massage it bit by bit until I get it fully saturated with this oil. So afterwards, I'm not going to be doing so much on my hair. I'm not a person who likes a lot of tension on my hair, so I just be getting it back to just a ponytail or a bun. So I'll be moving to each and every strand doing this, and I make sure that the rest of or my hair is fully saturated with this oil. Again, I'm going in with my oil or my leave-in water, This is the clove water. I try to massage through it to make sure that my hair is wet, because I'm trying as much as possible to minimize breakage. Then I apply oil. I make sure that I also apply to the scalp. I massage through. It brings so nice. It feels so nice to massage your. You understand that feeling that you get when you're massaging or when you massage yourself. Imagine yourself massaging your hair or your scalp. It feels so relaxing. It feels so refreshing. By the way, at the end of this, I felt like a cooling. It was that cooling state, like after application of this oil, I felt it was cooling. It was, I don't know how I can explain it. It was feeling so good. And those people who are worried about the smell, it doesn't have a bad smell. For those people who know about cloves, cloves do not have a bad smell. You can see I have my hair is looking so nice and very healthy. Look at that. Yeah, even it has become a little bit longer, though not that much, but I'm loving it. You can tell for a healthy hair, you can see how my hair looks like. The curls are defined, and also my hair has become even a little bit darker. It shows, these are elements of showing that you have a healthy hair, and that's how I love it, and I like it that way. Let's keep on growing our natural hair in a healthy way, and also in a fulfilling way, because I feel so much, even if I've not attained or reached on my goal about or with my hair, I'm loving on how it's going or how it's coming along. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.